Sister, have you ever paused for a moment and asked yourself, what are you really chasing in this life? Money, children, cars, houses, jewelry, makeup? All of these are fleeting, just glitter of the worldly life. But how long will you really stay in this world? Will your wealth or children help you in the hereafter? Why do you walk without a job? Why are your prayers delayed or missed? What excuse will you give on the day when you stand before Allah? You and I, we are blessed. We are Muslims. We are the Ummah of Prophet Muhammad. And as Muslims, even our daily routines can become acts of worship, if done with the right intention. From waking up in the morning to going to sleep at night, if your heart is connected to Allah, your entire life becomes worship. And to help you in this journey, I have written a special book for you, A Day with Allah. Gratitude and guidance for Muslim women. In this book, you'll find intentions and du'as for daily tasks, morning and evening askar, and practices. How to turn everyday actions into acts of worship, easy steps to integrate Islam into your busy life. Guidance for inner peace and spiritual strength. Who is this book for? For every Muslim woman, get one for yourself or gift it to someone you love. Now available on Amazon? Grab your copy today.